Guys, how are you? Thanks for tuning in, guys, and thanks to all you new subscribers. Really appreciate you coming on board. It's great to have you with us. Right then, I'm on my way, quite exciting actually, because I'm on my way to picking up the son of a good friend of mine who I've known for about 35 years, I think. 35 years. And sorry about the wobbling, the roads are not that great over here. Let's stop the wobbling. There we are. Right, yeah, so I'm just going to pick his son up, and I've known him since we were about 3 years old. And all those years ago, when I was living back in England, I used to go round and see his dad and have a chat and catch up and talk business or whatever. He's an optician, his dad is, and so's his son, Dud, who I'm just about to pick up from the airport. And anyway, used to go over there and play the guitar at his house. And anyway, as a young lad, he grew up seeing Uncle Carl, as he knows me, play the guitar, and of course he plays the guitar himself now. And he played very recently this year, I think it was August time, early August. He played in Nashville. But anyway, I'll let him tell you all about it, because obviously I've got a lot of American subscribers, so you might be interested to hear what he's got to say, how he feels about the United States. Oh yes. So anyway, I'm on the way to pick him from the airport, and here we go, rock and roll. In the arrivals lounge now, guys and girls. Here we are at Hanny Airport, and he should be coming through any minute now. Yes, here he is. This is Duddy, buddy, this is Duddy. Brilliant bit of parking there, guys, brilliant bit of parking. What do you reckon to that? Ironically, it's two ladies, although I have seen some great parking by the ladies, but this is crazy. But luckily for us, we're going to go in there once they've got themselves out of the mess. So how are you then, Duddy? You're alright, Mel, buddy, aren't you? You're rocking. Welcome to Crete, buddy.
Good, yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
3 years since I've been here.
I know, 3 years. 3 long bloody years.
I know.
Hey?
3 years I've had to put up with Nottingham. Now I'm back.
Yeah. Well, I want you to tell all of my American subscribers and viewers all about your visit to Nashville, because we've been playing guitar in Nashville, so you can tell them all about that over the week that you're spending with me.
Yeah, of course.
And
yeah.
so we've got lots of things we're going to share with all you YouTubers. So yeah, so there we are, and it looks like the girls have got themselves out of the pickle. Bless them. Yep. Just hopefully they won't back into us. Right, hello everybody. How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, good. All the way from England. How are you, buddy?
Yeah, good, you?
Yeah, good to have you on Crete.
Yeah, it's good to be
Been
back.
3 long years, folks, 3 long years. And we're going to play a little bit of guitar for you. Just a little bit of a jam, a bit of a warm-up. And here we go, rock and roll. Right then, guys, I hope you enjoyed all that and a bit of guitar. Anyway, we're going to have a quick chat to Dud now. Now he's settled in, he's had one night with us and he's just chilling out. So, you enjoying life, Dud?
Yeah, good. Got to enjoy. Look at it. It's amazing.
Awesome. Beautiful Crete. Anyway, it's a bit cloudy today, as you can see. Anyway, let me tell you a couple of the thing. You like your blues, don't you, buddy?
Yeah, I love blues. Yeah.
And which artists would you say are your favourite? What are you into?
New artists, I like Gary Clark Jr. and Jack White and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But then the older artists, I like Chuck Berry, Little Walter, and Howlin' Wolf, those kind of people. So, yeah.
That's cool. So, you've been playing guitar for how long?
About 16 years now.
About 6, is it really?
Yeah, should be better
really. Right, just a quickie then. So, you were asked to join. You were asked to go to Nashville to the Namm show in Nashville. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, early on this year. We went to Nashville to see all the new kit at Namm. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, for you American subscribers, so now you're going to hear an Englishman's version of how he felt when he first landed in America. And you met some guys, didn't you? Tell them the story.
Yeah. So the first morning I went down to breakfast. Met two blues players who ended up...
How old were they? Were they older? You said
they were... I think they were 68, 69, so fairly old, a lot older than me, but they were just really cool guys, you know, talking about music and stuff. Anyway, they had a car and I didn't, so they invited me around to all the vintage guitar shops. And the first thing they did when I sat in the car is brought out a lunchbox and just opened it. The one he wasn't driving, and it was just full of like spliffs that he'd got, and he was just like, "Welcome to America, man."
That's cool, because because they invited you to go and see some vintage guitar shops with them, didn't they?
Yeah,
which was nice.
Yeah, so I went to some of the big vintage guitar shops there in Nashville. So all the ones that were their favourites.
Yeah.
This is my first day as well, and then I was in one of them, and then I looked to my left, and there was a guy stood just looking at pedals, and then I looked again, and it was Joe Bonamassa.
It was who?
Joe Bonamassa.
How cool is that guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell us a story. What happened?
Yeah. So I said hello to him. He's really humble and stuff. And I said, "Oh, what are you up to and stuff?" And he said, "Oh, I'm just off to a show." And he said, "Oh, they wanted someone to play a solo with too many notes in it." So they asked me. So yeah, it was really cool to meet him. And then once word got out that he was there, loads of people started crowding around, and he just went really quickly. But yeah, it was shell shock for the first morning to bump into a famous person. But,
yeah,
it's great.
That's well cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how did you feel about the Namm show? You enjoyed it? You saw the Gibson stand, you saw all sorts of stuff, didn't you?
Yeah, I saw the Gibson Fender stand, all sorts of small stands as well.
And Gibson were bringing out some new colours apparently, were they?
Yeah, so they had models there that hadn't been released yet. They're not going to be released till 2019, which you can get to play and have a look at and stuff. So there's all new stuff that hasn't been put into shops yet, which is just great to see. And it's just great to learn off other people as well when you see other people playing, what their take on it is, and you know what their take on me is as well. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. You've quite talked to the American guys over there, haven't you?
Yeah, because they're so positive. There's no negativity about them. Some people find it fake, but I didn't. I found it infectious. I think it's a great attitude to have, especially with music.
Yeah, yeah, too right.
So you can't beat that, really.
No, awesome. Well, guys, we're just going through the centre of Hania in a minute, so I'm going to show you around the centre of Hania. I'll pass Dud. Are you enjoying yourself, Dud?
Yeah, it's been good.
You having a cool time?
Yeah, chilled out.
You've just had an English Sunday lunch, haven't you?
Yeah.
Oh, a lamb lunch. He had a lamb lunch, guys. Lamb lunch. And of course, we've got the delicious Linda Lou's in the back there. Say hi, Linda, to all the people. Hold on. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
There she is. How are you? You having a nice day?
Yes, I'm having a good day, thank you.
Cool. So as I was saying, you're going to get a bit of a tour of Hania now. We're going to go for what we call dinky donks. my favourite place for an evening's drink. You'll see why in a bit. If you're into boating, you'll be in heaven. One thing I love about Hania, guys, is that all the shops are all different. Whereas in England, a lot of the shopping centres now have got the same shops as every other centre. Whereas here, you've got individual stores from family-owned different businesses, from hairdressers to, you'll have an hairdresser's next door to a butcher's, and next door to the butcher's will be a jeweller's. And so there's lots of different varieties of shops to choose from. Then there'll be like a cafe bar, or someone thinks something like, or then a clothes shop or a dress shop, shoe shop. So it's far more interesting than what they've done in the UK, where they've made everything the same. So if you went to Leicester in the UK, in the city centre there, then they will have exactly the same shops as what you would get in, say, Sheffield or variety and things like that. So it becomes boring after a while. Charity shops and just the general, still nice shops, don't get me wrong, but it gets boring because they're all the same stores. Whereas here you get a nice variety of shops to choose from. It makes it far more interesting. Guys, this is what you call making use of your car. And he's even got the kitchen sink by the looks of it. Look at that then. How's about that? Either that or he's been busy shopping. One of the two. Home from home, guys, home from home. Linda.
Yes.
Tell these beautiful people what you're drinking. Pass it over. Come on, have a sip. What is it, Linda?
The most fantastic gin and tonic ever.
Is it?
Yes, without a doubt.
This is our favourite place for dinky donk. We call it dinky donks. Dinky donks with a little finger and all that, you know. It's a 4-star hotel, but it has, as you can quite plainly see, guys, the most fantastic views of the harbour. This is the old Venetian harbour, by the way, and it's just fantastic. There's some old sheds and that over there. That's the old battlements there, fortifications, and behind them are rocks. There's the Venetian tower there, which was originally the lighthouse to the entrance to the harbour, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. So it's Dud's first time here, so what do you think, Dud?
Yeah, it's lovely now.
You enjoying it?
Lovely, yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. And the other thing we love about this little spot is you get to see so many different people, varieties, all shapes and sizes, and it's great. I'll give you some ideas. I'm going to leave the camera running and then speed it up. That's a dog, obviously. He's not happy. A load of school kids. You've got little boats here that can do the boat, rent a boat, and it's well, I know exactly what it is because we asked the other week. It's the same guy that owns those first 3 boats there, and basically you can hire them without a skipper. It works out at about 120 euros for the day. And they give you a map of where you can go and potter about. If you want a skipper, it's about an extra 40-50 euros. So, but that's like a family of 4 and stuff. And it's nice little day out. I wouldn't risk it myself personally, but anyway, that's what they do. Rent-a-boats. Oh yes. Yeah, so it's nice. There's the sun going down to Australia by the looks of it. And it's just, them buildings over there are the original Venetian boat huts. That's where they used to build them. Those arched things there. So there you go, guys. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.